Our goal today at Beachwood is to make sure that all the trades are performing properly. We go meet with the superintendents, check on progress, and make sure the project's moving along. We began pouring footings on this job 1 year ago, so it's taken us a year to get to this point in construction, and it takes a team of highly skilled individuals to put it all together.
All of the brick is completed from corner to corner. They have all of this paneling on the insets done.
I'm Levi with Norman Electric. It's been a big job for us, but it's also been a really good job for us.
My name is Shayna. I work with Dye Plumbing. I am in this room hanging some water lines. I'm a hands-on person. I like being out in the field now.
We're at the second floor of the independent living side of the building. Drywall has been stocked. Soon the hangers will be here installing RC channel. This is a work in progress, and we hope to be done with the entire building by the end of January.
A project this size takes a tremendous team, and there's a lot of time and effort that goes forth to assemble all those people and make sure you end up with a quality product.